So, since I got here tonight, I've been doing a fresh edit on this poem, so hopefully I'll be able to read my scrawl. The sound of gravel. I awake to the sound of gravel crunching and flying from beneath the wheel of my dad's car. The bleached Minnesota landscape blurs. Dad is angry at his dead brother, at his dead brother's friend. Angry that he lost control on this gravel road as dusk entombed them, as their speedometer tickled 110 miles per hour. Dad took another deep gulp of beer, one hand controlling the steering wheel as we reenacted his brother's death, taking the curve that took their life at 120 miles per hour. Dad slammed the brakes, cursed the dead for losing control. We walked to that pole that crushed his brother's skull, a weathered impact where skull might have met wood. No blood remains, not even a stain. We walked to where the body laid, where their mother, my grandmother, found his crushed body on her way home from work. I remember people telling me she held her youngest. I imagine her rocking his body, sobbing, saying his name as she wept. Did she ask her God why?
Right.